I-United Kingdom seyithethe isinqumo sekuthi ihoce kulokwetfula kusebenta kwetincwadzi tekucinisekisa kugomela lomkhuhlane. Kulolunye luhlangothi iMelika yona isachubeka ngalolu hlelo. Kanti ke neNingizimu Africa nayo ibuke kulethfula lolu hlelo. Lokhu kwendeka nje isigodi se-Sub-Sahara sidonsa madima kuthola imijovo yekugomela i-COVID-19.
As the Africa CDC and the African Union is known that we do not encourage vaccine passports, I think, period. And the basis is simple, that we always want to ensure that people are vaccinated, that there is access to vaccines to everybody, then we can begin to implement vaccine passports.
Inhlangano leyangemele temphilo emhlabeni iphindze yangeta ukuthi letincwadzi tekucinisekisa kugomela i-COVID-19 kungendeka tiholele ekutheni kube khona kungalingani.
We don't want vaccine passports to be used as a precondition for travel because of lack of vaccine equity. It will be a tool to discriminate. It won't help. So at this time, it cannot be used as a passport, especially if it's going to be a condition for travel.
According to the international health regulations, which is an agreement that member states have reached together, it is not to have a requirement of vaccination, proof of vaccination for international travel, except for a vaccine that is widely available.